5-minute morning meditation for an effortless day. Get comfortable. Now's your time. These next 5 minutes are yours and only yours. And this moment will make the greatest impact on your day to come. Get present with your breath, the inhalation and the exhalation, the rise and fall of your chest. Bring your conscious awareness to there just for a moment. Good. Now I want you to imagine your day that you have planned before you. And it's the perfect day. Not because nothing happens that would upset you. Not because everything goes right, but because you are unstoppable. Nothing can break through your high vibes, your healthy mindset, your resilience today. Imagine each time block of your day and how you will handle any sort of stressors that may come your way. What will be your attitude? What will be your perspective? You have total control of how you feel today. And because of that, it becomes more and more effortless. Knowing that the only person you have control over is you. Imagine your day unfolding for the next few moments. Wonderful. Now that you have imagined your effortless day, I want you to imagine that there's a rubber shield all around your body. Only you can see it. Everything bounces off you today. Negativity, other people's emotions, traffic, things not going according to other people's plans, all of that just bounces right off of you, while you maintain your good vibes, that effortless feeling. That feeling that you're in control and that you are powerful. Repeat after me. I am love. I am peace. I am in charge of how I feel today. When I notice an unpleasant thought, I will acknowledge it and reframe it My words create my reality. Now, go out and enjoy full-heartedly your effortless day.